Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got a interesting knife to do a disassembling cleaning of here today. This is the KB Knives Sudden with some Damascus inlays in it and other Damascus bits. This is actually on loan to me from FredTheLug, and I want to say thanks to him for allowing me to do disassembly and cleaning videos, carry and use these knives and do reviews of them. So again, want to say thanks to him for that. This is DLC coated, so it's very cool looking. Let's go ahead and get into this one. Looks like we'll have to take this clip off, and it should come apart. Let's also take this body screw out here. You're trying to be very careful with this since that's Fred's knife. Alright, there's one screw, and the pivot should come out. We'll drop that into the alcohol over here, and pretty much everything popped loose there. Alright, and we will go ahead and remove that blade. Go ahead and drop the bearing in there, and also this bearing in there, and also this pivot in there. We'll then grab us a alcohol swab and wipe everything down, getting that old oil or grease or whatever they used off of there. Being careful not to cut ourselves at the same time. Okay, set that off the dry. This is a fairly simple design. You know, nothing really jumps out at me as different from a lot of the other knives that I've disassembled and cleaned. And there's quite a few of them up to this point in time. Don't know exactly how many, but there's a few. There's the lock face there with the detent ball. Got a stop pin there. Just wiping everything down. Had a screw jump out of that pocket clip. We'll just set that back in. Alright, so at this point in time, fairly simple again. We'll go ahead and grab those bearings out and wipe those down. Let's set those off to the side to let those dry. We don't want the alcohol mixing with the oil that we'll put on the bearings here in a minute. So we'll set those to the side and let those air dry. We will wipe this pivot down. And we'll also grab that pivot screw. What I want to do with it is actually take my driver and back that out. All I'm doing is pinching into those threads with my fingernail there, just to kind of clean those threads out a little bit. Get that Loctite off of there. We'll put some fresh Loctite on there momentarily. Alright, so that being said, all we need to do is take and put that pivot back in and index it around to where it needs to be. I guess I could take it back out and show you that there's a little divot there, or a little piece protrusion there inside of that milled area, and that will match that. Let's see if I can get it in the light correctly. That notch right there. So when we put this in and index it correctly, it'll kind of push into place. We'll set that in there, and we'll put the bearing on there. Put a little bit of Gunny Glide. That's what I use. You may use something different, but that's what I use, Gunny Glide. Alright, and then we'll set this in I want to make sure that I have cleaned that lock face off. And then we'll set that on. And I want to make sure that I've cleaned this lock face here as well. Okay, and the screw fell out again. I want to put a little dot here on the detent ball, and then I'm going to also put this bearing back on there. Put a little dot on each side. The reason I'm just trying to spread it out a little bit. Note there's nothing magical to putting it where I put it, just on each side of that pivot. To try to make sure everything's spread out evenly. And then we're going to push that on. We're going to grab our pivot screw, put a little bit of Loctite on there, push that back over there, and tighten that screw. We'll just tighten it up enough to hold everything into place, and then we'll go ahead and tighten these body screws, and then we'll tune it to our liking here momentarily. Get that tightened, and then we'll get this screw tightened in the clip. Alright, and then we'll close it here. And what I want to do is actually check the screws on this side, make sure they are not loose. And then we'll take a look. We're not centered here, so we'll figure that we need to tighten this a little bit more. And indeed we do. Okay, I'm going to check these and make sure that that didn't change anything there. Alright, so now we are centered. Let's go ahead and still centered. Let me open it. Check for any blade play. I'm actually going to back off just a little bit. And we'll close it and open it back. That feels good. They're still centered here. And the action feels pretty good. So we're going to leave it at that. I do want to take this DLC, this fingerprint magnet DLC, and kind of wipe it off again, just in case we got some fingerprints on it. And then show you how good it looks once the alcohol dries off of it. See how good that looks. And we've got the Damascus, and we've also got Damascus on this side. So looks really good. Pretty cool knife. So there you have it. That is the KB Knives setting. And this has been the disassembly and cleaning of this particular knife. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Hope to see you again soon. And hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.